It's a 2018 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. Muscular yet graceful, thrilling yet serene. This C-Class is the precise balance of all things Mercedes-Benz. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, dual zone climate control, power heated mirrors, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, Embrace 2 external memory control, power tilting steering column, agility control automatic suspension management, auto dimming rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. Car and Driver remarks, consider the C-Class as all that Mercedes-Benz knows about full-size luxury distilled into a smaller package. Mercedes-Benz, an elevation of innovation. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
At Mercedes-Benz of Coral Gables, we look forward to your visit and deliver excellence at every mile.